Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to use Google Translate app. It is very much important app for the purpose of translation. For this purpose you need to download this app from Google Play Store. Now I will show you how to use Google Translate. For this purpose, I will open my Google Translate app. Now I want to translate some text which is in English and I would like to translate that text in Marathi. So at upper side you will see option of language selection. So I will select English because my text is in English. If text is in other language, then I can scroll down and I can see, or I can select any other language also. So I will now select English, and from English I want to translate to Marathi, my native language. Again same process, scroll down and select another language. So I will click on Marathi. Now there is option of camera. I will just click on this camera option and I will put my camera properly on the text. Now you will see this Google Translate app is translating the text from the English language to my selected Marathi language. It is little bit dependent on internet speed. If you have high internet speed, then your translation will be done in a very low time. So we will wait for a few more seconds. But see, it is looking interesting that the text is in English and now it is translated in Marathi. If you want, you can pause translation also. The pause translation option is there. So this is how you can use your Google translation for translating your text from any language to any another language. The another way of translating Google text is I will again click on camera. At bottom side there is option of scan. I will click on that scan option and it will start scanning the data. Now it is showing me select all. So I have selected all and now it will translate the data. At upper side you will see a small blue color line is there, and that line is my result of translation of this data from English to Marathi. Now I will click on that line and I will get the Marathi translation, the translation from English. If I scroll up, then there is English paragraph which I copied from the book, and if I scroll down you can see the translation in Marathi. If I want to read this translation, then here I can click on this speaker and it will start reading. It is totally dependent on internet speed.
जैवविविधता आणि समुदाय सहभाग डॉ. श्रीनाथ पी. काडे सोसायटी फॉर इन्व्हॉर्मेंट अँड बायोडिव्हर्सिटी कन्झर्वेशन ACDC.
So this is how you can directly translate text from hard copy to any another language. You can also select this stage. You can copy, you can paste this stage. I will copy this text and I will go to my mobile phone and I will paste the text. So this is how I have translated directly from hard copy of English book and I have saved it in my mobile. I can do copy pasting and editing also by using this Google Translate app. Suppose I am not having book but I am having a text, then directly I can type the text. Here option is there, tab to enter text. So now I will type something, it will get translated in Marathi. I have typed change is the rule of nature and good things always takes time. The moment I finish, the English words are translated in Marathi. I will click on this blue arrow and I will get translation. You will see in English I have written change is the rule of nature and good things always takes time. It has been translated immediately from English to Marathi. बदल हा निसर्गाचा नियम आहे आणि चांगल्या गोष्टींमध्ये नेहमीच वेळ लागतो. सो दिस इज हाऊ यू कॅन ट्रान्सलेट. इफ आय वॉन्ट टू कॉपी दिस ट्रान्सलेशन देन आय विल क्लिक ऑन दिस कॉपी ऑप्शन. I will go to my mobile phone and I can paste that translation also. So this is how you can use Google Lens app for translation of any language. You just need to select the language from this language option. All the languages are available. So this app is very much useful in our academic as well as research purpose. Also for traveling purpose, if we go out of our state and we have or we face any language problems, like if we are going by road and some boards are there which are in another language, then we can use this app for easy translation. There is no need to take help from any other people. So this is how Google Lens help you to translate your material. Thank you.